Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video and it's a stationery haul once again. So basically all of this stuff which I'm going to be showing in this video is very kindly sent to me by Journal Say. So Journal Say is a website where you guys can easily find different journal supplies. If you guys are into bullet journaling, this will help you a lot. So they have different types of washi tape, stickers, organizers, pens, highlighters, brush pens and a lot of stuff, and they are so affordable, so definitely check their website out. So now further ado, let's get started with the haul. And you guys can also use up my code which is MedVibes to get an extra 10% off on your purchase. And one more thing which I want to address right here is when we shop from some other country, we have to pay very large amount of shipping. But the best thing about Journal Say is if you guys shop for more than $12, you do not have to pay any shipping, which is great. So firstly, I've purchased some storage organizers to store all of my stationery and stuff, and I was looking for these type of storage organizers from such a long time, but I was not able to find them anywhere in Amazon or anywhere, and I finally found them on their website and I've purchased 3 of these. So firstly, I've purchased this hexagonal pen holder in a transparent whitish color. So actually it doesn't look that big, but it can store a lot of pens. So basically I have these 25 zebra mine liners and it can easily hold all 25 of them, and they look so good in this. So nextly I have purchased these vertical organizers. So I've seen these organizers a lot on Instagram and I found them on Amazon actually, but they were so expensive. Like 2 white organizers were for like 700, and no way I'm going to be paying 700 for only a storage organizer. But they were pretty much affordable on Journal Say, and they can actually hold a lot of stuff. So basically I have these 58 Stabilo fine liners and I found it really difficult to actually store them, but this can store all 58 fine liners in it, which is great. And these type of storage organizers can actually store your pens in a very nice way, and all the colors are clearly in front of your eyes, so you guys can actually choose any color which you want. They are very minimal and yet they look so good on the study table, so definitely invest in these type of organizers, and they come in variety of different colors, so definitely go for it. So nextly I've ordered these zebra mine liners. So talking about these mine liners, these are one of the best highlighters in the world that I've ever tried. So basically I have one pack of this. I have the fluorescent pack in this, and I really loved it, so I thought I just buy all the 4 packs so that I can get all 25 colors. So that's it, I purchased all the 4 packs in this. So basically these highlighters are dual tip. One is this highlighter tip and second one is a fine liner tip, and this comes in 25 different shades. I really like the stationery which have many more color options, unlike the stationery or highlighters which just come in 6 colors. So I really like the whole color scheme, and they are so smooth, and when you use them you actually feel that you are using something of high quality. So if you ever wanted to buy a good quality highlighters or mine liners, definitely invest in this. And the colors are very mild and they will not hurt your eyes. They are very good, nice, mild colors. Actually in camera the colors are looking a little bright, but actually they are not like that. They are very mild, nice colors. So nextly I have ordered this black brush pen. So basically I wanted to buy a black brush pens because it comes very handy when you are making your notes, and this one is also very affordable. So if you guys want to buy, you guys can definitely check this out. So talking about the quality of the brush pen, the quality is actually really good. I didn't expected this good quality, but the only issue is that the tip is a little too flexible for a beginner. So basically I'm a beginner, so I found it a little bit difficult to actually write with it, but otherwise talking about the quality, it is a good nice brush pen. So nextly I have ordered these sticky notes. So I have ordered this from some other website as well, and they prove to be very useful in my like note taking and stuff. So basically I used to write the previous year questions which are a little out of NCERT in my biology book. So I use it for that, and you guys can also use this to like bookmark anything and all, and they look so good. So yeah. So nextly I have ordered these dry flowers. So basically I was looking forward to buy something like this a long time ago. I actually found these flowers on Amazon, but they were so expensive. Like the one set of these flowers I think is for like 550 or something, and I'm no way spending this much. So, and I found a very cheap price on the journal say. So I've purchased 3 packs. So basically I guess one pack is for like $1.50, which comes out to be only 100 rupees or maybe less than that. So that's why I've ordered 3 of these. So basically for me the use is that I take a lot of pictures of my notes and the whole study desk and stuff for the YouTube thumbnails and the Instagram as well. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely check it out. My ID is medvibe004, which is linked down in the description box below. So talking about the flowers, so I need something to use as a background prop when I am taking some aesthetic pictures and something like that, and I think they will do the job, and the quality of these are so good. So definitely invest in this if you guys feel you have any use of it, because I am going to be taking 100% of use out of them. And I've ordered 3 sets. One is this sunflower set, second is rose set, and third is the pamper grass set. Flowers in one set is also quite a lot. I guess we get 6 to 7 flowers in one set. So nextly I've purchased this bullet journal stickers and pictures kit. So basically I do not do bullet journaling. I want to start it, but I think it will be a little bit time consuming, so that's why I'm not actually starting with it. But maybe in future I start it when my study planner will get filled up. So I've purchased this. So basically this is a overall kit. This contains a lot of stuff like washi tape, stickers, and a lot of stuff. So let's see what's actually inside this. So firstly we get these 3 washi tapes inside this. So basically I've ordered this set to like decorate my room because it have a lot of aesthetic pictures in this, so I think they will look very good. So nextly I have these pictures. I don't know what to actually call them. So basically if you guys remember, then there was the cameras that used to take these type of pictures like Polaroid pictures and stuff. So I have 6 set of these, and then a lots and lots of pictures. Look at this cat picture, it looks so good, and there are a lot of small little cute pictures. So basically this set comes in 4 pack. One is green, red, blue, and I think the last one is black, and I have chose the red set. And there are also these Polaroid pictures, and the quality of these pictures is actually really good. So nextly there are these blank pictures. So basically I guess you guys can like actually put your own pictures in this. So there are many things like Instagram pictures, then there are some editing app pictures, and a lot of them. So nextly there are these stickers. So there are a lot of stickers like these ocean stickers, and these heart stickers, dot stickers, and a lot of it. Imagine using all of these pictures, stickers, and stuff in your bullet journal. It will look so good. That's what I like actually about journals. Say they have a lot variety of stuff which you do not actually easily get in India. And I just love these stickers, they are so good. And then there are some big pictures. So basically these bigger ones I'm going to be using these in to decorate my study desk and stuff. So I'm pasting all of this on the wall right next to my study desk. but these are actually so good, like this mountain one and this ocean one, and it says pink vibe. So that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and do check Journal Say out. I really love their website, and you guys will definitely find some new variety of stuff and a good quality of stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in a new video very soon. Bye bye.